How to fix Windows 11 update error 0x80072ee7. 1. Common tips are, reboot your system, and update your Windows again. Disconnect all the peripherals and reconnect them, if needed. Disconnect your internet when the update is downloaded. 2. Run an SFC scan as admin. 3. Run your Windows in its clean boot then, remove the problematic applications using the recommended uninstall tool Pro in this video guide. 4. Change the DNS server address. 5. Ensure Windows Update service is working automatically.